Hello, good afternoon, guys. By the way, I am Lloyd Fernando, and this is me. And I am 15 years old way back in 2010. And for the things about me is that pink is my favorite color, and I like to listen to the classic love songs. Actually, I love those classic bands such as Air Supply, Scorpion, Beatles. But actually, my favorite singer is My Dearest Love, Katy Perry. But hmm, for clarification, I am pure man, 100% man. And Forrest Gump is my favorite movie. And I like to make and read a poem because sometimes the poetic side of me exists. That's why I made some poem. And for the things that I love my parents, brother and sister. I love my friends and and I love her, the one who makes my day complete. And by the way, I am NGSB, no girlfriend since birth. The saddest thing about me. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Bye.